our 24-inch stainless steel work table. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 24 inches and a depth of 12 inches. Overall height with legs, we have at least 34.5 inches tall. Measurements for the bottom shelf will include 16 inches in length by 8 inches in depth. The measurements and thickness for the top table will be at least 1 3/4 inches in thickness, and the bottom shelf will measure 1.5 inches in thickness. Coming to the side will be our NSF sticker, and this work table can hold weight and support all the equipment that we sell through our website. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.